If your reader or keypad on your Paxton system is not working, then there are typically 5 things you should check. 1. Software settings. Check that the settings on the reader are correct. If you're using a keypad, first check the two are communicating properly, i.e. the keypad should beep and the LEDs change colour when a code is punched in. 2. Interference. Paxton Access readers use 125 kHz, the same frequency as many other technologies, meaning that the devices could be affecting your Paxton reader. Check around to see if there's any likelihood of this. 3. Power issues. Check the keypad is getting enough power by checking the voltage across the red and black terminals. 4. Connections. Check the integrity of the connections. Also, test the reader on a different port in case there's a hardware fault. 5. Cable and distance issue. If the reader has been extended, check the correct cable has been used. Paxton readers typically have a range of 100 meters. Need help? Contact smartsecurity.support for any help you need with your Paxton system by emailing help@smartsecurity.support.